The next slide talks about fundamental and particular risk. Exposure to the loss from a situations affecting a large number of firms and caused by the natural phenomena such as earthquake, flood, hurricane, and by social phenomena such as inflation, war, unemployment. These are the status of fundamental risk. Fundamental risk, it may or may not be insurable. And next is the particular risk. Particular risk is related to the possibility of loss which can arise from the situations related with any specific individual events such as unemployment, robbery or theft. If such as unemployment or robbery or theft occurs, it comes under particular risk. Example, any loss arising out of robbery or theft will directly affect an individual. All this status comes under particular risk. The next slide talks about pure and speculative risk. Pure. Pure refers to the situation where there's a chances of loss or gain. Whereas speculative, it depends upon the situation. It involves upon the situation and possibility of the gain. So these are the slides talks about the risk and the different types of risk. Now next we move on to the insurance. So when we talk about insurance, obviously there occurs a risk. So that is the case which we saw in the previous 8 slides. Now, insurance. Insurance is nothing but it is just a mere contract between the insurer and the insured company. Insurer is the person who puts money to the insured company, is known as insurer. So it is also means a protection from financial loss. When you insure something, example your vehicle or your health or your property, it is a financial protection that you gain from the insurance. And people who buy insurance, they pay a premium, often particularly every month you made to pay, or quarterly or monthly or half yearly or yearly, depends upon the insurance status, different types of insurance status. So the premiums will be collected. And something like bad happens to a person or material or any property or a vehicle that has been insured, then the company that sold to the insurance will pay money back. Even when you have caused some difficulties in your health and you have been admitted to the hospital and you have taken a policy, insurance, health insurance policy, you can claim the benefit of it by insurance mode. Next slide talks about the functions of insurance. So it's nothing but a risk bearing, and it provides a saving, provides a protection and capital, and it also promotes loss prevention, encourages efficiency, solves social problems. What are the benefits of insurance? So it is a risk transfer, protection, assured profit, investment, encourage savings. So it is the best investment that the insurance and is also a risky mode. We have to face the risk when we insure whatever may be.